Welcome to the AI Mini Course Training video series. In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to create your AI-powered mini course in AI Mini Course. Go to the left menu and click on AI Course Generator. Here you can create your AI-powered course. Either enter the course topic or upload notes. Choose your course language from the drop-down. Click on Create Course. And your AI course is ready. You can manage your generated AI-powered mini course. View your generated course details. Edit or update your AI course. Like Course Info, Course Details, Meta info of your course, and course thumbnail. Download your course. You can also add slides to your AI course. Thanks for watching the video.